Hello, upcoming entrepreneurs. Welcome back. This is Mr. Make a Million, and I'm going to share what are the businesses you can start and change your financial situation from 0 to $1 million. Remember that thinking big and taking action is the key to success. Enough of that intro. Let's get into business. Today we're discussing something clean, as in a cleaning business, or more specifically, a cleaning company. If you're a person who's fond of cleaning, restocking cleaning items, and always finding yourself organizing a lot of stuff and will love to help others as well, then you're in luck, because cleaning companies are high on demand right now. You may not have known, but cleaning businesses can be extremely profitable, and most people who run the business are millionaires. And it's one of the most versatile and ever-growing businesses you can start. It is also low cost for an employee-driven business, meaning you're getting more profits. In the beginning, your cleaning company can range from $30,000 to $50,000 a year as you start to secure clients. Once you've hired additional cleaners, you can make $50,000 to $70,000. However, commercial cleaning businesses have the most revenue potential and can make over $100,000 a year. And the market for cleaning business worldwide is toppling in $292.6 billion in 2019 and is expected to grow by 12% by this year. So, to start a cleaning business and start earning $40,000 to $50,000 a year as a starting business, you'll only need $1,000 to $2,000. And we're here to deliver you tips and ways to start your company from scratch. But first, let's get on with the things to remember when starting a business or a company. First things first, research. Cleaning is not some simple chore in your house. There's a ton of meticulous arts and skill sets you'll have to know before starting your company. Also, learning your competition strategies and information can give you a perspective on how to be unique. Second, 80-20 rule. In starting your cleaning company, you need to put 80% of your time in focusing on your clients, managing your company, and applying strategies, while only needing 20% for trying out new tools and strategies. Third, USP, or unique selling and preposition. Your company should always be ever evolving. Find new selling points and tactics to set up contracts, and align your preposition because you mustn't be under your competitions. You've got to be above them in any way. Fourth, analyze your progress. A non-moving progress doesn't mean practice, it means action. You always need to check your analytics in whether you're making progress and set goals to encourage yourself to be better. That's how you become successful. Now you've learned the important basics in starting your business, now it's time to actually learn how to start your cleaning company from scratch. Let's start with number 8. Finding your targeted customers. Since you'll be marketing your services, instead of focusing on what products you have, you've got to showcase the skills, professionalism, and communication to your customers and client. You're gonna need to find the information you'll need on honing your company's strategies and tactics on the demographics of a specific place, people, and culture. Having the understanding of your potential client would help you build better tactics on encouraging them on taking on your services and create your company based on their expectations. Number 7. Creating an S.O.P and developing business model. Whether you have predicted, experienced, or operated on your first job as a cleaning company, you're gonna need a set of rules and regulations to know what to do and what not to do. Also, creating a standard operating procedure or an S.O.P would help you and your future cleaning crew manage their work better by following a set of steps and guidelines on how to do the job correctly. This may include scheduled steps on how to deal with certain situations or even procedures on dealing with clients. These are important since your cleaning company is going to be consistent. It will need consistent instructions and guidelines to keep your company's goals straight ahead. Number 6. Establishing your cleaning company. Obviously, you're going to need something that distinguishes you from other cleaning companies, and that is your brand. And these are the brandings you need. First off, logo. Your logo should be unique, yet minimalistic, and features distinguishable features. You could either create the logo yourself through numerous applications such as Photoshop or artwork. But if you don't have time and skills to do it, then hiring an artist from job sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or OnlineJobs.com can help you find a cheap logo free of royalty. Second, name. Your name should be memorable yet decent and precise. It should describe your company well and differentiate you from your opponents. Third, slogan. Slogans are simple and immemorable, but they are impactful and assuring. Creating a slogan is easy enough as long as you put your heart into it. Number 5. Creating an online website. Your website should be minimalist and professional. It needs to be concise and precise with your team's aim, goal, and the information about your company. And if you don't know how to code or create a website, there are a lot of tools to create a website with no knowledge in coding are needed, such as Squarespace, Wix, or WordPress. These tools are easy to use and you can keep customizing your website with these tools. Your goal is to get as many leads or potential clients as possible, filter them, and concentrate on the ones that have more chances of becoming clients. Also, you have to utilize creating pages, social media accounts, blogs, and other social platforms not only increase traffic, but also plant your company's foundation on these social medias. Number 4. Promoting your cleaning company. Promoting and endorsing your company can help you build an audience and acquire clients with a little dose of coffee and sleepless nights. This is also a great way to expand your business. So you could try setting up your online influence first through these means, like Facebook. Facebook makes it easy to set up a business page and have users follow you. From your business page, you can post operating hours and services offered. Customers can also provide a review on your Facebook business page, and better reviews help more potential customers find your page. Twitter also allows you to create a business page. Having a Twitter business page will enable you to create paid advertisements to reach more potential customers. LinkedIn is a professional platform and a free way to post job openings. It is also a great way to create awareness for your cleaning company's brand. Instagram has become the primary platform for social influencers who have a large following and usually get paid to promote businesses and products. Influencers can collaborate with you on how to promote your cleaning business. You could also try investing in promotional videos, pay-per-click advertisements, search engine optimizations, and many more to increase your relevance as a cleaning company and increase traffic for both your websites and business pages. Number 3. Fill up those portfolios. If you're starting from scratch as a cleaning company, a portfolio about your company would help you out in earning credibility as a cleaning company. And your portfolio should include the following. Number 1. Copies of certification or other official qualifications. Number 2. List of accomplishments beyond those reflected on your resume, particularly those that involve problem solving. Number 3. Performance reviews. Number 4. Letters of recommendation or from employers and clients. Portfolios are important building a reputation as a cleaning company, and not only will it provide you an early boost through hard work, but would also benefit you in the future. Number 2. Polishing your company's imagery, reputations, and credibility. These are the things you should take note because all clients look at these criteria, and here are the best ways to improve them. Reputation. You can try and get involved with local commerce and professionals to create potential clients and grow your connections. Customer satisfactions are also important, so you always have to be compliant with your client's requests and be able to fulfill your role as a cleaning company. You will earn more referrals and repeat customers by instituting best practices to maintain your cleaning business's reputation. Credibility. Establishing close and personal relationships with some of your connections would make you much more of a viable service, and a personal connection with prospective clients may lead to new customers and customer referrals. Reputation and credibility are two mixing of words that are extremely important in creating a business that involves service providers. Lastly, number 1, become a certified company. It isn't a requirement, but becoming a certified company can give you an edge and various benefits. Applying for CIMS certification through the ISSA or the International Sanitary Supply Association requires your cleaning business to meet best management guidelines in 6 different areas: quality systems, service delivery, human resources, health, safety and environment, management committee, green building. It will be difficult to get your company certified since there are numerous assessments, surveys, and information that will be taken from your company. But not only will it improve customer satisfaction, it will also improve reputations, clients ratio, and credibility. Now, those are the simplest ways you can start your company from scratch. Now let's move on to the things you might want to hear before starting your cleaning business. Low costs to start. Basically, the only thing you need to get started are a few cleaning products and the passion to succeed. No experience required. No experience? No problem. All you need is motivation, determination, and hard work to start booking your first clients. Low expenses. With little to no expenses, a cleaning company might need various things like vehicles, equipment, and uniforms, but a starting one can start right a monetary position. Flexibility. You can be self-employed and be the boss. You can set up your own schedule and other various things without difficulties. Work from home. A cleaning company can be pretty much running from the vicinity of your home. Since it can be easily done through digital, and since you don't need any pesky warehouses to keep your cleaning materials. Digitally managed. Last but not the least, there's a ton of project management tools for cleaners, amazing platforms for cleaning companies, and very useful tools out there. Running a cleaning business can be a breeze, all directly from your computer screen. Now those are all the things you need to know about starting your very own cleaning company from scratch. We hope that you've learned well from the financial advices that we shared. Please like and subscribe to the channel so that we are able to post more business tips to help you out. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more videos just like this. And again, this is Mr. Make a Million out, and I hope you're prepared to make million. Mr. Make a Million out. A million out.